Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.
Luna, can I get a wow? Good girl.
I love you.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
You're adopted. It's true. I adopted you. I'm sorry that the truth has to be revealed this way.
I love
Oh no. Oh no. Did he take it?
I don't know, maybe you want to just... We could just go for a little bit of a...
When you have a brave puppy.
I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog. Bruh, I'm so hungry I could eat a damn dog.